One also important thing is that when you would like to repair a hydraulic system, because this is a hydraulic system, first of all, what you have to do is to drain the oil from the system. So how you can do it? You can use a drum, a clean drum, first of all, and then you have to set up a clean pump with clean hose, suction hose and discharge hose. You have to adjust your system that you will drag through the system and it's sent directly to your pump. So this is the suction from the system, from the line. It's sucked here and it will deliver through the line to the first container here, and then it will deliver through this pipe on the top to the second container. So the level here will be rising. As the level is rising, you're using this pump here to suction the oil from the second container and store it directly here. So by storing here, you can empty the line and then you can remove your let's say equipment on the other side, flexible flanges, piping, and you can repair them. And then when everything will be finished, the oil can be pumped back again, but make sure that you will not pump from the bottom because some of the dirt most probably will be accumulated there. And then after filling the tank, reverse the suction. So the suction will be from the second tank. This suction will be closed, this will be open, and then here you will have also to open the discharge to the line so it will start filling the line with the oil from the tank. So as the tank will be, the level will be going down, you have to add here oil carefully and slowly and steadily, and that you hear also the sound of the pump, that the pump is working under oil. So it's not working without oil. It's very, very important. Start slowly, fill the system, and then it will be ventilated from this valve here, whatever air it is being trapped in the system. So it's very important in the hydraulic systems that you make sure that all the air has gone outside the system in order making it work properly. And after filling the system, it's better to test the system under pressure to see that the pressure here reaches the working pressure on the gauges, and both equipment are free of leakages as well here on the flanges, here all around, that there is no leakages. That's why we have to test the system under pressure to verify that is operational. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.